Good morning. Happy day. So I'm just giving you a glorious view of the Eastern Sierra. It's a little bit smoky. We've been struggling with smoke still from the fires that are going on in California. So, yeah. And we have the White Mountains over here. So this has just been a really beautiful place near the hot springs still, just out of Bishop. So today I want to talk about the golden ratio and design. So for those of you who are watching for the first time, let me flip the camera around. So the golden ratio is approximated by 1.618. It's a proportion of beauty that has been used since ancient times, found in things like the ancient Greek Parthenon, different Greek statues. It's even been found or approximated to be found in the Great Pyramid of Egypt. And artists use it today. If you go online, you can see different layouts or templates to create golden calipers. You can make them out of wood. I have in my resource library, my virtual library, I've been collecting resources about the golden ratio and Fibonacci for like almost 20 years. Anyway, I have some templates that you can download. I'll put in the description today, where your kids can cut them out and create these calipers and then just go around and measure things and find the golden ratio around your house and out in your backyard. It's a lot of fun little activity. But I also want to consider the opposite of the proportion of beauty, asymmetry. We tend as humans to be more attracted to symmetry, where one half of an object, like my face, is symmetrical. Not perfectly so. Few humans have perfectly symmetrical face, but one side is the same as the other. But let's look at some shrubs here. I'm in the high desert, and these are not symmetrical. So typically we're not drawn or attracted to scrubby, shrubby, asymmetrical plants. But actually these have their charms. If you rub your hand against them, it's really wonderful. So what it lacks perhaps in appearance, I think it's beautiful. I love nature and whatever it has. I think they're beautiful in their own way, but they are asymmetrical if you look at them. They just look scrubby and scraggly. But that's an example of asymmetry. But go ahead in the comments and grab those golden ratio calipers. I'm giving you the link. And just go around and see what is within the golden ratio. And if you, it's just a fun activity. So artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, like his Mona Lisa, is found, several parts of that painting are found within the golden ratio. And modern artists today as well create their art according to the golden ratio. So grab those calipers, and also if you haven't grabbed my free unit study planner, where I guide you step by step on how to create a unit study. You can do a unit study, a homeschool math focused unit study on the golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers. Go ahead and grab that as well. All right, bye for now. Woo.